You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary that many mispronounce in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Conveyance. Convey. And stress on that second syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar as conveyance. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.